Mormons seek to resist temptation. It is good to resist temptation, but we need to realize Satan counterfeits all God's ways, including what temptation is and how to resist it. James says we are tempted when we are drawn out of our proper place and enticed by our own desire. God created Adam in his proper place of being a receiver of all the goodness he needed. But Satan tricked him to think he could be an achiever of it. Adam then fell into self-centeredness, and we're all born with his self-centered desire to be an achiever. James goes on to say that every good act of giving comes down from the Father of lights. If all our good behavior comes from God, then it doesn't come from me or you. How do we receive it? James continues and says, when I gaze into perfect law and keep looking there, then I do all the good works I should. I lead Mormons to gaze into moral perfection now. Their faces light up in surprise as they experience Christ as all of life they need. Watch my 5-minute videos to see how I do it.